before I get to this, I do not have the Datsun 510 wagon. Why? Just look on Facebook, look on Instagram. You got guys buying 962,444 of the Datsun wagons. Why? I don't know. Welcome to another episode of Hot Wheels TV. Today we have the brand new Hot Wheels 51st anniversary Satin and Chrome series. All right, now I know you guys have been seeing them in different places here and there, but today we've got something that I don't think anybody else has shown you. So what we're going to do is we're going to go quick through the cars, what they are, and I have a really big surprise to show you variation guys, okay? And I really think you're gonna like this one. So the series has 6 cars altogether. There's the custom 71 El Camino, 71 Datsun 510 wagon, the custom 67 Pontiac Firebird, the Aristo Rat, the 63 Chevy 2, and the 70 Plymouth Superbird. So the first one up here is the custom El Camino, all right? And of course, all the paint jobs on these things are the same. They have the ice blue satin. I think it's really got a lot more silver in it than it does blue. So I'm just gonna call that the silver blue satin paint on these things. The tampos are gold, pearl blue, and orange on the sides. The interior is gold chrome. The engines in the back are gold chrome. Everything on these things are gold chrome. I don't see any regular chrome on them at all. So where they get the chrome from, I don't know. It's gold chrome, okay? So there is blue transparent plastic in the back between the engines. Just like the windshield, okay, just like the windows. And like I said, the interior was gold chrome and the engines in the back are gold chrome. The wheels are gold chrome 5-spokes, and the base is a very dark blue plastic. Looks black, but if you look at it in some good light, it is a very dark blue. Next one up is the 67 Pontiac Firebird. And of course, like I said, all the tampos are the same, and they all are gold. They have pearl blue and orange in them. Now, the numbers on these are 51 for the 51st anniversary, of course. Paint is all the same. Interior is gold chrome. Engine is gold chrome. The wheels are gold chrome 5-spokes. And the base on this one is a pearl gold plastic. Next up, the 1970 Superbird, and that has a lot more of the orange stripe on it than the other cars did. The tampos are switched up on this one. This one has a tan interior, which I'm gonna guess at being a pearl tan interior, same as the base on the Firebird. So this one has a pearl tan interior. The windows are a light blue transparent. The base is gold chrome. The wheels are blacked out steelies with a gold chrome ring on them. And that is basically it for that one. Next up is the Aristorat. And that has the same color paint on it. The tampos on the side are actually switched up now. The number 51 is in gold, and the stripes are in the orange. Interior on this one is black plastic. Engine is black plastic. And the box in the back, the pickup box, and the scoop on the top of the roof is gold chrome. The rear wheels are gold chrome PR5s, and the fronts are gold chrome 5-spokes. Base is black plastic. Next up, now, before I get to this, I do not have the Datsun 510 wagon. Why? Just look on Facebook, look on Instagram, you got guys buying 962,444 of the Datsun wagons. Why? I don't know. All right? But hey, they got 1 billion of them. I don't have any, and I'm not going to pay more than $1 from them. Okay? So there you go. Whether I get one or not, I don't care. Okay? At least they got a bazillion of them. What are they going to do with them? I don't know. And I don't care. Okay? So, and I don't have the gotta go either. But I'll eventually find it. You know what I mean? So, it's the first thing everybody does. Grab up them Datsuns. I could care less about a Datsun. Seriously. This is what I'm looking at. Chevrolet, American Muscle, right there. I don't care. Okay? So this one here, which is cool because what I got right here, I don't care how many Datsun wagons you want to give me. You're not getting any of these. Still there. All right? The Chevy 2. Now, the one I got here is got the paint is really light on it. It's light blue, and the stripe along the side is gold and orange, and on the bottom it's got pearl blue. The thing with this one is the wheels. The wheels are gold chrome bi-spokes in the front, gold chrome bi-spokes in the back. Got a gold chrome base on it, and it has a pearl tan interior in it. The windows are light blue transparent. Now, see that, right? Got these from my buddy Mike Burkhart, sent them to me. This one here, it's got a gold chrome basic wheel on the front. All right? Now you're going to say, hey, that's an error. Okay, you got one of them. No, I don't have one of them. Got that one? 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 And got that one. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 of them right here showing you gold chrome basic wheel on the front. All right? Also, one of these cars is much darker. There it is. In the paint. All these guys got the light blue satin paint. This one has got a dark blue satin paint, just like the other cars. Now, we've seen some other cars coming through from the other series with the basic wheels on them, and we're wondering how did that happen? Because we've only seen one here, one there. Now, like I just showed you, I got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 of them right here in front of me. If I got 6 of them, got to be somewhere out there, right? So you guys got to keep an eye out and see if you can find some with the gold chrome basic wheel on it. That right there, my friends, is worth to me a heck of a lot more than a whole bunch of Datsun wagons or the Chase Gotta Goes, all right? Or even Super Treasure Hunts. Because you couldn't give me Super Treasure Hunts for one of these things. And I know a lot of other guys that collect variations. They don't care about those things. This is the cool thing right here. Yeah, I know what you're saying. But to me, it's a cool thing. To other guys, it's a cool thing. Other guys, I'm sure they don't care. So you tell me if you're finding any. Is this a variation or is this an error? I'm gonna go with variation on this one. It's an error that is pretty much a cool variation if there's a whole bunch of them out there. So let's see what we find. Leave me comments in the bottom. And I may just be giving one of these things away. I don't know. We'll see how it goes. I'm not going to keep them all, most definitely. I don't do that. So I'm going to give one to my son Chris, one to my buddy Brent, who always sends me stuff. Hey, sends me stuff. Why don't I give him something cool, right? All right. So a big thank you to everybody that helps me out. So let me know what you guys find. If you see them, you're hearing them, send me pictures on my email. You know where that is. I'm sure you can find that real easy. So we'll go from there. And probably in the meantime, I'll find one of them wagons in a Chase Gotta Go. So thanks for watching. Really appreciate it. Please tell your friends. Please subscribe. Click that little bell so you get notified of every new episode that we have. And please be kind to one another. So until the next time, we see you here at Hot Wheels TV. Hopefully, we'll see you somewhere else. You take care of yourself now. Bye-bye.